Hi, so in today's video we're going to be upgrading these fog light units on this Fiesta to use CE UK H8 units. You can find a link for these in the description below. The first thing we need to do is have a little consideration as to how this panel's coming out. That's the fog light, but this whole unit here needs to come out. You can just pop out this part, but generally I found it's easier to pop out this entire piece of trim, which is only held in with a couple of clips. So I'll try and do some video. This one has been out before. You may need a trim tool of some description. Yeah, so this one's definitely been out before because I've been at it. But you can see here, those are the clips that hold it in. Okay, and make sure to put that down that way around. You don't want to scratch up your plastics. So this is the fog light units. So you want to pop out these 3 Phillips screws. Okay, so I've just popped out these 3 screws. There's one there, there's one there, and there's one there. And the unit will probably fall out on you, so make sure to catch it. This is the unit. I had to replace this one because I smashed it once. This piece here is normally trim clipped up in here somewhere. I've popped that out previously, so that's why it's there. This is the H8 bulb and the connector. One thing you need to consider is the polarity. You need to make sure that the LED light is connected up correctly, because the halogen bulbs are not sensitive to polarity, but the LED bulbs are. This is the back of the units. You need to remove the bulb and you need to remove the harness, but you need to remove the harness first. You need to bend these 2 clips at the same time. See if I can do it on video. Like that. And that's the harness part, and that's the bulb. And the bulb will then, and only when the harness is removed, rotate and release. That's the bulb. These are quite expensive. The last time I looked, they were 15 quid from Halfords or worse. Don't touch the glass, so just wrap it up in a piece of plastic when you're done if you intend to reuse them. I'm just gonna put that there. And this is the new bulb. Now these units come without the cable tie around the driver pack. I've put that on there because there's quite a lot of extra cable rattling around inside here, and I just wanted to minimize that. The installation is really simple. You just get this part, make sure the keying is correct, put it in, give it a twirl until it feels correct. You may have to spin it so that is seated correctly, and then rotate the whole unit clockwise this direction, and that feels pretty secure in there. And that's that part done. The next part is to connect up the LED with the vehicle harness. I believe, but I'm not certain, the black is negative and the yellow with red stripe or orange stripe is positive. So just match them up like that. The plug here has got markings on it, so it should just be a matter of just like that. Once you've pushed the harness back there, locate the headlight using those 2 location pins here and here. So that one is located there, and this one is located here, and this location has no pin. So once you've got those 3 screws in, you can put the piece of plastic back on, or you may want to check that the polarity is correct first by turning the car on and turning the fog light on. Okay, so the car's just been on, headlights are still on, and I know the polarity is right because I know the light's on, so I'm going to fit that panel now. I'm not going to fit this on camera because it's quite difficult, but installing this is the reverse of taking it off practically. Nuzzle this end in first, and then clip this end in gently. Okay, and that's all back in now correctly. I'm quite happy with that. And thank you for watching the video, and please remember to subscribe if you're interested in seeing more content like this. Thank you.